and welcome to Decades Collide. Today we're going to show you how to make these lovely little rosettes out of deli meats, or you can also make it out of cheese. First thing you do is you take a wine glass, then you take your round meat or cheese and you just drape it over the edge of the wine glass. You probably want about 3 layers. If you want a smaller rosette, you can use a smaller glass, of course, shot glass if you want it to be teeny tiny, or if you've got a smaller, finer type meat. But you just keep layering it until you've got, until you're happy with the result. So about 3-4 layers. Then when it's finished, you flip it over, and there's your rosette.